I see you were brought to court today. I don't necessarily know who is this?
My ex-husband.
Okay, so
Yes.
he brought you to court today, had you served.
Correct.
Have you talked to him?
I have not.
Interesting. Okay. Well, do you have any idea why he brought you here? I mean, other than him saying he's wanting child support, that's all I know.
That's all I know as well. We actually share a child together. Her name is Michaela. She's 12.
Okay.
She walked into court confused, blindsided by papers she never saw coming. Her ex-husband had her served, but why she hasn't spoken to him? The only clue, their 12-year-old daughter Michaela. Now she's facing a courtroom, unsure what battle she's about to fight. What does he really want and why now? What I do for Michaela.
Okay.
And she's back and forth between her father and myself. And he's just decided to bring me to court. Currently, I do everything for Michaela. We just came back from a trip to Mexico.
Okay.
I furnish Michaela's education, take her shopping, basically just doing what a mother's supposed to do at this point.
Right.
So I'm not understanding why he would waste our time and bring me to court just for this, when I'm
Okay.
doing for Michaela.
All right. And so do you all have any relationship at all?
We don't.
Okay.
She's the one paying for Michaela's school, vacations, clothes, everything. No calls, no conversation, no relationship. Yet, here she is dragged into court by a man who barely lifts a finger. She's doing what a mother should do. So why is he trying to paint her as the villain? The answer might not be about money at all. Why is he suing okay?
Okay. Was there a recent disagreement or something? I mean, something triggered him to want to bring you to court and ask for child support, especially for a child that you all share.
Absolutely. And there was a situation where I had a friend, and he just did not like the fact that I had a friend and Michaela was around my friend.
Okay. So it's a guy friend.
It is. It
Okay.
is a guy friend, and he's just very vindictive at this point, and this really shows it. He didn't even show up.
Turns out this
Was
wasn't
there a
about
recent
child support at all.
disagreement or something?
The
I mean,
moment she
something
introduced
triggered
Michaela
him
to a male
to want to
friend,
bring you to
her
court
ex
and ask for
snapped.
child support.
Jealousy
especially
turned
for
into
a
courtroom
child that you all
revenge.
share.
But here's the
Absolutely.
twist. He
And
didn't
there
even
was a
show up.
situation where I
He
had a friend,
weaponized the system,
and,
then ran.
he
Is
just
this
did
really
not
about
like
their
the
daughter
fact
or
that
just his
I had a
pride?
friend
He
and Michaela was
weaponized the
around
system.
my friend.
Yeah, it's when people don't show up to court, it's weird for me because I have to stare at an empty chair, But what I am going to do is go ahead and dismiss this case. You will not be placed on child support today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you understand what that means,
would
by me
like-
dismissing?
I do understand that. However, I would like to know what are my next steps that I possibly could have.
The judge looked at the empty chair,
it's,
then
when
made the
people
call.
don't show up to court,
Case
it's weird
dismissed.
for me because I have to
No
stare
child
at an
support,
empty chair.
no punishment.
But
She could breathe
what I
finally,
am going
but
to
her
do is
relief was
go
short-lived
ahead
because
and
even though she
dismiss
won
this
today,
case.
the system
You will
leaves the
not be
door
placed
wide
on
open
child
for
support
another
today.
ambush.
Thank you,
And
Your
she
Honor.
knows it
You're
might
welcome.
not be
Do
over.
you understand
What
that
happens
means,
next?
I would like-
Over.
Well, at this point, none. You're not being placed on child support. His
Okay.
case is being dismissed. If in the future, now he can refile and try to bring you back to court, and he can get you reserved, and hopefully he shows up. But other than that, nothing else is going to happen with your case. He has to go through the entire process again.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No questions at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's over for now.
Well, at
Her
this
ex
point,
lost this
none.
round,
You're
but the
not being
judge
placed
warns
on
he can
child
come
support.
back,
His case is being
refile,
dismissed.
try again.
If in the
This
future,
fight
now,
might
he
return,
can
and next time he might
refile
show up.
and try
But
to
today
bring you
she
back to
walks away
court,
with her dignity.
and he can get
If
you
you've ever
reserved,
faced
and
unfair
hopefully he
accusations,
shows up.
hit like,
But
drop your
other than
story,
that,
and don't
nothing
forget to
else is going
subscribe.
to happen with
Justice
your
doesn't
case.
end here.
He has
It
to go
starts
through the
with being
entire
heard.
process again.